So yeah, are we giving it 1 more minute? And then we're going to start. Then we're going to keep to the schedule, and everybody who's pouring in is pouring in. So I'm going to start officially at 10:01, and then I'm going to give it to you, Marcus, and then of course Leo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just one thing I would like to mention for everyone again. We are recording all the sessions, so we plan to put them live after we finished our event. We're going to have a website, and we're going to share the link with all of you. So just in case you missed something because the internet dropped or something, then you will always have the opportunity to follow up, and we're going to share this with you guys.
Yeah, definitely.
So,
there was already a question in the chat. Kevin Yim asked the question, so good you mentioned it. It's I think it's very beneficial to be able to watch this at a later. So
okay.
yes. Yeah, want to start officially? So let us do it. Good morning again to everybody. My name is Jürgen. I'm responsible for the marketing and PR at GameEye. I want to welcome you all officially to the first industry insights event about global multiplayer games, jointly organized by Tencent Cloud and GameEye. I'm happy you're all here. We had about 350 people signing up, which was very surprising to us, positively surprising, of course. That was beyond our expectations. And we're very happy. And I see there are almost 100 people online already for this opening speech, even before the session starts, which is great. So yeah, we're happy about that. Let me say something quickly about the whole idea of this event. I mean, it's logical. We're living in some strange and challenging times. For us, it was mainly about creating contact moments we so desperately need within this industry. And with all the shows cancelled, we thought it might be a nice idea to think about something, to create something that can compensate that at least a bit. That's what we're trying to do here. And as well, of course, we're always happy to share our knowledge and hopefully help others along by sharing this knowledge about multiplayer games globally and every aspect of it. I hope you'll enjoy the 4 sessions we have planned for you. I think we have some really great speakers, some really cool sessions. Marcus will say a little more about the content in a second. At this moment, of course, I want to give the stage to Marcus Kulo from Tencent Cloud, who was a big driver of organizing this, and I'm happy we could do this together, Marcus. So the floor is yours. That was my little intro for now.
Well, thanks, Jürgen. I also enjoyed very much planning this event. I mean, I enjoy working in the gaming industry. Hi, everyone. I'm Marcus from Tencent Cloud, and there I'm responsible for marketing and strategy. And yeah, I guess most of you guys know Tencent Cloud and GameEye already. We had some good coverage about our event here, and we're very happy that so many of you joined here today. And we're also very thankful to all the speakers that join us here today and that will share their experience and knowledge. And as Jürgen already said, we prepared 4 sessions for you guys. And in the first session, Andrew Walker and Ralph Hersink from GameEye will talk with Steve Isles from our 8 Games, Ferran Punti, the CEO of Breach Studios, Oliver Hines, the product executive from Boss Mode Games, and Walid Sultan Midani, the creator of Washfellows. And they will talk about how to release a global multiplayer game. And I guess in times like these, where a lot of people are at home and still want to kind of hang out with their friends, games are the right thing to do. In our second session, you can join Tencent Cloud together with Supercell, with Kunlun, with Yozo, and with Huya, when they talk about East from Supercell's new hit game Brawl Stars. We cover a little bit the topics of how to prepare going to China, what to do, and how to handle games there, which is quite a good insight. And we have really good speakers there. In our third session, Sebastian Heine, the CEO of GameEye, will have a relaxed, so to say, fireside chat with some guys, with Greg Fletcher from Multiplay, Nick Button-Brown will join, and Morten Larsen will join as well. And they will talk about gaming topics in general, how the current situation will impact or impacts the gaming industry. And in our last session, our colleague from our Chinese division will explain to us how to build the infrastructure for massive online battle games, just like League of Legends. So we're very excited to share all these insights with you, and we're looking forward to some great sessions. And now, without any further ado, I would like to introduce Li Shiwei, who is the Vice President of Tencent Cloud Europe, and who was kind enough to take some time today to welcome you and to say something to you.
Okay, thanks, Jürgen. Thanks, Marcus. Hello, friends. Good morning. Welcome to our first online industry insight event, jointly organized by GameEye and the Tencent Cloud. My name is Li. I'm the Vice President of Tencent Cloud Europe. I'm very honored to give this welcome speech here today, and thank all our friends who join us today to share their experience and knowledge with us. We hope to build a platform where we can continue to share knowledge and insights of various industry relevant topics. As you may have known, recently GameEye and Tencent Cloud partnered, and this is a very good news, great news for all of us. Tencent Cloud has built our partnership with a technology provider that focuses on offering technological services to their customers and partners. Together, we can now offer GameEye's partnership access to its service world, especially in China. This will make deploying and scaling online multiplayer games much easier for every developer. Together, we offer the right mixture of industry expertise, technical knowledge, and global scale. We are very honored that GameEye has chosen to partner with us, of which makes Tencent Cloud to be an important part of their offerings. As we all know, that the size of the gaming market is huge and growing rapid, and with a great potential, especially during this current pandemics. Gaming is an essential part of our society, and in fact, some of us are the first generation of gamers that are now helping to shape the industry. Gaming is so important that gamification became a buzzword in marketing and many other industries. Certain elements of games can be used to improve our daily lives in many ways, such as education, such as healthcare, and other vertical industries. In addition, gaming is important everywhere in the world, but due to different cultures and behaviors in the world, people tend to play different types of games in different countries. Whereas in the Western world, hardcore gamers and AAA developers tend to focus more on the PC and console market, and regard the mobile market as a more casual gaming environment. However, the mobile phone is the preferred gaming platform for both hardcore and casual gamers in Asian region. There are many reasons for this, of which one key factor is that the Asian region didn't have the same access to consoles and PCs in the past. However, in the West, parents bought the consoles and play with their kids, and until being beaten in the game by the kids. So then the kids would need to get their own consoles, and due to that, parents have to educate a new generation of consoles gamers. So despite the differences, we can see the biggest growth is in mobile gaming around the world. We also can see that increasing demand for massive online multiplayer games, battle royale games, and other types of multiplayer games. Especially right now, it's an opportunity for many of us to play with friends. So it's no surprise that a new generation will remember that the first live concert being held in Fortnite. Uh, since games are so popular, there are plenty of supplies in the market, which is good, as it offers plenty of choices to consumers. But it also makes the market more challenging and competitive. So it's very important to make sure that not only focus on delivering a great story, graphics, and epic battles, but also to deliver a great user experience. This means focusing on the things that matter to the players as well. For example, low latency, high availability, strong security, and high stability. No one likes to be killed in the game because of the issue of server, or to be subjected to waiting 5 minutes for something to be loaded. So we must make sure that these basic requirements are met. With the partnership between GameEye and Tencent Cloud, we can establish an ecosystem for game developers so that you only need to focus on the story, gameplays, and graphic rather than the deployment, compatibility, and scaling. So we believe that the European developers have great experience and ideas that can be leveraged to develop new games, of which I'm sure it could be the next global hit. Collaborate with Tencent Cloud, you will have a professional tech partner which can help you deliver your games to every player all around the world. In China, we are the number one infrastructure provider for gaming industry, and we have the largest network and the experience of handling the huge demand of more than 700 million players. With our social and entertainment network, we can offer unique opportunities to support your success in fastest growing gaming market in the world. You may know that besides Tencent's own games, 70% of games in China are deployed in Tencent Cloud. Again, so I would like to thank you for joining us today, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming sessions. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Leo.
It's going to be great. And it's good that we always have like a 5 minutes buffer here. We're already over 3 minutes. And I think it's very interesting to see the shift and the differences in the gaming markets. I know it for myself. I'm European. I grew up here. I play console. Yeah, some people might say, no, he doesn't play PC. He's just a hobby gamer. But yeah, consoles are good as well. But we can see a huge shift into mobile gaming. And this is going to be very interesting in the next few months or years to come, especially if we look at the differences between the markets. I don't know how you see that, Jürgen. I think you haven't. Did you ever play a hardcore game on mobile, or just casually, or not at all?
Personally, I am playing casual games on mobile, and I'm more of a. I used to be a PC gamer at heart, but now I'm a couch gamer, and I switched to console, and I'm playing the casual games on mobile. But yeah, I see it, especially with my kids who are a little older now. They play hardcore on mobile as well because they play whatever they can get their hands on, and if they want to play Fortnite on the go, they play mobile. If they want to play Zelda on the Switch, I consider this mobile gaming as well. If you take it along, it's not a mobile phone, of course, but in general. So yes, it's definitely changing. Yeah. But Marcus, what do you think about switching to the actual session, which will start in about 5-6 minutes, and that is the first session hosted by Sebastian Heine, CEO of GameEye, which means we all need to switch to that session, and we did that to keep it clear what's live and not like one big live stream. Especially if we're recording this, it's easier to have little pieces and structure it afterwards without cutting too much. But that means we all need to leave this session and jump to the next session, which is called, just to be sure, it's the GameEye Industry Veterans Insight session. And that's the first session.
Yeah, I switched them up. I saw them in different order.
But that's not a problem. So I think it's structured correctly in the session, so that's all right. So let's all jump there. I see some people leaving already. I will jump there now as well. So see you there.
Oh, it's dropping. Okay, cool. So see you guys in a bit, and then have fun. And thank you, Leo. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks again, Leo.
Thank you
Thanks very much.